All right, Juno, one step at a time. You've got this. A little help here, Juno? This wind's got me.
Heh, that cake looks too good to resist. Time for a... Nori, stop! You will ruin the cake!
Not if I get to it first.
Whew, that was close. Thanks for having my back.
Anytime, Juno. Let's meet again, preferably.